Alright, third and final Ithaca 37 shotgun video for today. I am going to try and rush this video because I got a lot of things to do today, but this was the second Model 37 I ever bought. I had this for a few years now. And I bought this in upstate New York, believe it or not. I got a super good deal on it. The story behind this was, well, according to the owner, this was a production overrun for, I guess, their local law enforcement up there. So I was able to buy this for a fairly reasonable price compared to what you would pay if you were to go on Ithaca's official website or go on ithacagunworks.com and try to order one in this exact configuration. If you order one as you see it here on the table with the rifle sights and the adjustable recoil reducing stock and the Permaguard finish, this would be about a $1,200 shotgun. In fact, go on ithacagunworks.com and just do your research. This shotgun without the rifle sights is $1,040. The rifle sights, which Ithaca does not make, these are made by Marble Arms, and they are all steel sights. I believe they're called the universal sights. But these are $80 sights. So $80 for the sights, but that doesn't include the installation fee. So this is like about a $1,200 shotgun if you were to order one brand new off ithacagunworks.com. But I only paid $850 for this gun. Actually, a little less than that. It did come with the ATI adjustable pistol grip stock, which compresses under recoil. The pistol grip and the whole adapter, the receiver adapter, is one piece, and it's made out of cast aluminum, so very high quality stuff. It is adjustable, has 5 different settings. I normally keep it on the second setting. There's a third one, fourth, and there's fully extended, which is way too long for me, but there's where I like it. Steel receiver, steel trigger assembly. The slide, I mentioned this in my previous Ithaca video where I was doing the review on the Hog Slayer. The slide on this is actually machined. They just take a piece of a forged steel and then CNC machine it. The new slide assemblies, or some people call this the bolt carrier, but the new slides on the any new production Ithaca 37 shotgun you buy are gonna be, they either switched over to a casting method or like a metal injection molded method. But this one's all steel. I wish Ithaca would go back to making them like this. This is a new production Ithaca, made in Upper Sandusky, Ohio. But it's a fairly old one. I had this for a number of years. I want to try to get you see the sight picture. That's not really coming out too good on camera. But I love these sights. A fixed barrel. That's one thing I don't like about this gun. You can finally get new production Ithaca defense shotguns that have the removable barrels, but this one is fixed. If I were to take off this the sling, I don't know what you call this, the sling swivel band or clamp, if I were to remove this, the barrel would just be free floating in the receiver. So you can't remove this barrel. Still, it's an amazing shotgun, super accurate with slugs. I absolutely love the look and feel of this gun. Has been 100% reliable, and I got a really good deal on it. Probably maybe my favorite Ithaca shotgun. Honestly, I don't know. I love all of my Ithacas. The receiver is drilled and tapped. So if you want to add a scope rail, or if you want to put like an RMR on here, like a red dot or something, you can, but I have no intention of doing that. probably going to end the video now. That's basically all I wanted to say about this shotgun. Oh, and the barrel is proof tested. Anyway, amazing shotguns. If you can find these anywhere, I would definitely recommend picking them up. Most of the times, whenever I go into a gun store, like anywhere up in my area, whenever you do encounter an Ithaca shotgun, it's always an original, actually made in Ithaca, New York, and they're always just beat to hell. It's very rare that you encounter a new production one. They are expensive guns. I'm not gonna lie. Well, anyway, there's a lot more I wanted to say, but I got things to do today, so I'm kind of rushing this video. I promise, I will be taking these shotguns to the range sometime. And like I said, doing a whole big extravaganza video. I just want to put a couple hundred rounds down range using all 3 of my Ithaca 37 shotguns. But hopefully I get some free time. Like I said, I'm extremely busy. Well, anyway, see ya.